The official movie poster for the upcoming film I Feature You, starring Francine Diaz and Seth Fedlin has been released. In a previous interview, Francine Diaz and Seth Fedlin described I Feature You as their most mature film to date. Dito po sa movie namin, hindi lang po siya pasweet lang talaga. Gaya nga po ng sinabi namin kanina, hindi kami nag-focus sa kung ano lang ang kilig na mayroon kami. Madami siyang matatakal na story about sa family sa sarili po and of course sa special someone and para po sa akin siguro isa sa aabangan nyo kami siguro mas mature version na hindi no talaga siya para maglaro ng characters. Francine Diaz said. The future looks extra bright and will changing the past give the future you want for Francine Diaz and Seth Fedlin starring this generation's love team.